Hello children. See, in previous video I have explained you how to read science lesson number 3. Now after that we are going to solve question answers in the textbook. So are you ready? Let us solve those question answers. Now see children, this is your Science Ahead page number 16. Question answers are given over here. Now which is first one? Fill in the blanks. Number 1. All dash come from flowers. Number 2. Dash come from different parts of plants. Number 3. The dash is an orange root. Number 4. Peas and rajma are dash that we can eat. Now let us see the answers. All fruits come from flowers. Vegetables come from different parts of plants. The carrot is an orange root. And peas and rajma are seeds that we can eat. Now all these answers I told you while explaining the lesson also. Now let us go to next question. Look at the pictures of flowers, fruits and vegetables. Write their names in the correct columns. Now see, below that picture there are columns given. First is flowers, second one is fruits, third one is vegetables. Now these all pictures are given. These are mixed pictures. Now see how I have written the answers. Which are the flowers? Rose, dahlia and marigold. These are the flowers. Then grapes, banana and strawberry. These are fruits. And which are the vegetables given over here? Potato, then cauliflower, which is there for number 2, and one is onion. So cauliflower, potato, onion. I have written like this. So this was about page number 16. Now let us go to next page. This is page number 17. There are also some questions. First one is, which one do you like the most? The fruit I like the most is the dash. The vegetable I like the most is the dash. Next question is, write tick for true and wrong for or cross for false in the box. Mangoes are sweet. The apple is a fruit. The cabbage is a flower. And we get tea from plants. Now let us see the answers. Now see children, first question, that is which one do you like the most, is your homework. Because I cannot tell you which fruit or vegetable you like. Correct? How can I tell you that? So this you have to write on your own. Now next answers. Mangoes are sweet. Yes, correct. So we have to write the tick. The apple is a fruit. Correct. Put a tick. The cabbage is a flower, which is a wrong sentence. Cabbage is not a flower, it is a vegetable. So write a cross. Correct? And last one, we get tea from plants. That is also correct. So in this way you have to put tick or cross. Now let us go to lower question. Name one fruit that we can cook and eat. Now see children, we can cook many fruits like apple. Okay, we can cook apple and we can get apple pie, apple cake. Even pineapple is also used in pineapple cake. For that we have to cook a little bit that pineapple. But here which fruits I have written? Jackfruit and banana. Children, these fruits are used as vegetables when they are raw. When these fruits are raw, those are cooked and they are used or they are eaten as vegetables. Okay. Now what is next question? Name one vegetable that can be eaten raw. There are so many: cucumber, tomato, radish, beetroot. There are so many vegetables which we eat raw. Correct? So, in this way, these are the answers. Now, next, see, your teacher will take you on a trip to the nearest market. Find out the names of the vegetables and fruits available there. Also, ask the ask for the price. Draw your favorite fruit or vegetable in your notebook. Now, children, nowadays, due to COVID situation, I am not going to take you anywhere, nor your parents will take you. Okay, so we are not going to uh, see this part, we are going to neglect this, and afterwards I will give you activities for this, okay, in your activity book. Now let us go to the enrichment activities. See children, this is a fun activity. You will need a potato, watercolors, a paintbrush, a sheet of red chart paper. So instead of red paper, if you have any other color, you can take that also. Okay, it is okay, because you cannot go out now. Okay, see what is the activity. With the help of a grown up, you can cut the potato in half. Keep it in mind, you have to take help of your parents. Paint the open end of the potato white. Press the painted side of a potato on the chart paper. Now draw funny faces on the potato shaped head. So children, you can use your own imagination over here and you can make the drawing, or you can draw the pictures. Okay, now last part, mango. The mango is the national fruit of India. It is also known as the king of fruits. Many varieties of mangoes are grown in India. The International Mango Festival is held in New Delhi every year. So see children, many states take their mangoes and go over there in that festival to display those. Okay, so it was about the mango festival. And do you know children, we eat Alfonso mango. That mango is grown in our Maharashtra, in Sindhudurga and Ratnagiri district. This mango, Alfonso mango, is very famous. Out of India also it is exported. Why? Because it tastes very good. It has a wonderful taste. Okay, so children, this is all about today. Now we are going to meet in next session. Till that time, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.